Today, in this video, we are creating a Telegram bot that will send message to your Telegram channel using PHP. For that, you need a Telegram channel that should be public now, and we have to create a Telegram bot using botfather. Then we have to set that bot as our channel administrator. So when we submitting a test message into a web form, then that will send to our Telegram channel. So let's do it. Yeah, before we get into the video, please consider to subscribe to this channel. Open the link in the description and you will able to see this web page, and you have to create a Telegram channel and make sure that is public. Then we have to create a Telegram bot using botfather. We are going to Telegram web and search for botfather. Click start. Now we have to run the new bot command. So click it. We have to choose a name for our bot. So here I am giving a name code Conia. Okay, now we have to give a username that should end with bot. I'm going to name it as Conian bot. Now we got the HTTP API key. Create a Telegram channel. Now create a channel username. Now add our bot as a subscriber. Now add our bot as an admin. So now we created our Codeconia bot and Codeconia Telegram channel, and we granted admin permission to the bot. So we have to check the bot is working or not. Open my blog again and copy the URL, paste it here and look for botfather and copy the API key, replace it with API key. Now our channel URL. So here @Codeconia. You should add this @ because you have to add the @ here. It will validate as channel URL. Then you can replace this text with whatever you want. Hello world. Oops. Hello world. And run the URL. Yes, we got that message. Instead of hello world, code is okay. So if you want to change this channel to a private channel, you have to copy this ID. I mean this channel ID. This is your channel ID. Okay, the chat ID is channel ID. So copy from the hyphen and replace the @codeconia, I mean the @username with the ID, and we will test new message. Yes, here you can see. Now you can change this channel to a private channel. Open your code editor and create a new file. Name it something like this. Okay, and copy the code from my blog. Now go back to Telegram again. Copy the API key, paste it over here, your channel name, what is code corner. You can paste this code corner or your chat ID. You can place any of this. Okay, if you want to change your channel as a private channel, you have to use this channel ID. So now we are going to run this code. Yes, we got the message. So I'm going to make a form. When you entering some message into it, then it will send to your Telegram channel. So we are making a form here. Okay, now we are going to test it. Okay, so now it's working fine. I will also add this code into my blog, so you can copy and paste, and you can replace the API key and the channel URL and all. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this. If you have any suggestions for me, you can leave it in the comments. I will surely reply all of that.